Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the silver price has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we can see that silver is currently trading at around $19.008. Okay, and you have to understand something that this particular level, if didn't sustain, a probability very high we can see it can fall further down, because this level has not been touched for so long, and that is around in August of 2020. Okay, this is the high where we have seen, and this particular range has break downside. So we have seen it has already made a low of around $18.128. okay, and if it falls below that level, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, so before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how it works, and a telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. Now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, because if we look at from this particular point, we have seen there is a continuous downfall in the price of silver, and a range also has break downside, so probability is high. If it goes below this particular level of 18.684, we can see it can fall further. Okay, and one more important point I have explained you, that if the price comes close to around $18.1, then we can see it can fall further down, because this is the range and it's a support also. So if what we can see, either it can bounce back from this level, or if it goes below this level, then we can see a probability of moving further. It will come in this particular zone, so probability is high, we can see towards a level of $17.5. okay, now this is the chart I was showing you from month chart. Otherwise I will explain you as per the day chart also, because the volatility is quite high. Okay, but overall trend we can see from a month's point of view that it is coming down. So if this level didn't sustain, a probability is very high, we can see it can go to a level of $18.68, and from there we can see a level of $18.128. once the price fall below this particular level, then there is high chances we can see it can touch a level of $17.7, and from there a probability is high, we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $17.4. once the price comes close to this level, then there is a high probability we can see it can touch a level of $16.8, and then further down. Now understand something, okay, because we have seen the market of silver is quite volatile. Okay, so probability is high. If you look at this particular doji candle, we have seen that because this is a support, 18.123 was a good support, so probability was very high, we can see a swing at this particular level. So suppose now trading at around $19.018, so if this level sustain, a probability is very high, we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around 19.630. okay, and from there if that level also goes upside, a probability is high, we can see it can touch a level of after touching a level of 19.630, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.126. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a high probability of touching $21.127, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $21.83. okay, once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, so keep this in mind. If the price goes above 21.83, then we can see a further upside movement for the silver, because the trend will come in this particular zone, so we can see a upside movement for silver. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please